Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to sign up for a Google account in 2023. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a new Google account and provide you with some essential tips to keep your account secure. So, let's get started. VoiceOver. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Google Sign Up page. You can either search for Google Sign Up on Google or directly go to the website address www.accounts.google.com/signup. Step 2. On the Sign Up page, enter your first name and last name in the given fields. It is important to use your real name as it will be associated with your Google account. Step 3. Next, choose a username for your account. This will be your email address and will be used for signing into your Google account and accessing various Google services. Step 4. Create a strong and secure password for your account. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it more difficult to guess. Step 5. Re-enter the password to confirm it and make sure it matches the one you entered in the previous step. Step 6. Provide your birth date and gender information in the given fields. This information is required for security and demographic purposes. Step 7. Enter your mobile phone number or an alternative email address in the provided fields. This information will be used to verify your account and recover your account if you ever forget your password. Step 8. Review and accept the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can read these documents by clicking on the links provided. Step 9. Once you have reviewed and accepted the terms, click on the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up for a Google account. You can now access various Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar using your new account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly checking your account activity. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one.